What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Garden Republic Bonsai Starter Kit planting kit, basically. So this is a bonsai tree planting kit that comes from Amazon. It's for $30. I will leave a link in the description below. It actually comes with 4 seed bags, as you can see over here, the different ones. So it comes with Colorado blue spruce, black spruce, Brazilian rosewood, and flame tree, which is that one in the back right. So I waited like about a month and a half to make this video to actually show you products before making the review. I don't want to just show you this box itself and what it came with. It came with a couple of things. It didn't come with that in there, but it came with a couple of things. It didn't come with these pots. I will actually leave a link in the description for these pots. I actually purchased them separately on Amazon. But they came with like little brown bag type pots, and they were pretty, I would say, good to use in the beginning until these basically overgrew. I was like, all right, I can't use this anymore. So what this is kit that $30 comes with is in this box, you'll have everything. You'll have discs. So it'd be like soil disc where you put water in it. It actually expands pretty much and it kind of grows into it. You put the seeds. It gives you instructions on what to do. You got to basically put them in water or damp water for 24 to 48 hours. And then you put them in these soil pots that I'm talking about with the black bags, or the brown bags, sorry. And then they start to grow looking like, as you can see over here. So pretty much something like this. So you can actually see they've done very well. They've grown pretty damn good for the short period of time that I've had them. Now, I am going to make other videos on what I've done to make them grow pretty good. Unsure if that was like a contributing factor or a main factor, but I did put growth, special soil, and again, this lightning as well, again, which I will make a separate video for as well. So you can see the black spruce and the Colorado blue spruce, sorry, so it zooms in, hasn't been growing as much as I would like it to, as you can see over here. Like the flame tree and this one did. As you can see, it's like literally overgrowing from this perspective. I might need another pot or something to like accommodate those. The flame tree was very tricky. It had 10 seeds, like very large seeds. They look like almonds, basically, like very large, or pumpkin seeds, I should say. And then only one grew, which is kind of sucky. A second one did grow, but it kind of broke. So I saw roots, so I just put in a separate pot, and I'm hoping maybe something will come out. So far, nothing. But it's still alive. You can still see. This has been here like for 2 weeks now, so it's still technically alive. Overall, would highly recommend this if you want to kind of do this with your family, with your kids, to kind of show them, like grow it with them, plant it every day, water it every day. I do kind of like water it, plant it every day. These are bonsai type trees, so you do want to kind of like water them every day. Each one is different. You're going to have to like kind of Google how to grow each one specifically. They give you very minor instructions, so that would be a downside from these. I would recommend to like them to like give more instructions if possible. That's the only flaw from their side. They don't give us enough, I would say, or maybe they did and it wasn't clear for me to like find out. I had to like YouTube videos and Google stuff how to basically grow these better or faster myself, right? But overall, I would highly recommend them for $30. This is worth it. I actually didn't think it were going to grow, but like I said, these didn't grow as much. Some are even dying, if you can see. Unsure if it's because the seeds are in an odd spot or if something else. These are in a much better perspective, but again, would highly recommend you guys to kind of check it out. I like this one. I will leave, like I said, this in the description below, as well as like the what's it called, the pots that I use, and maybe everything else that I'm using as well. So you have like a whole kit, like the lighting and the soil, etc., etc. But overall, we'll highly recommend you guys to check this out and get it. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, still let me know in the comment section below. More than happy you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like and thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, more simple product reviews out. Peace.